subsector require serious interrogation. Serious interrogation, Your Excellency. And one such, and you can hear some appreciation from the background. One such is that as much as we have more access, more affordability of learners in our schools, something that was being ignored and must be interrogated further is the domiciling of junior school in our primary schools. I must say this because one element Thank you. 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 This is the beauty of democracy. The beauty of democracy is everyone has got his say or a say.
Aye, we have had you. Aye, members. Aye. His Excellency, order. His Excellency has had you. His Excellency has had you. Let's be quiet, please. Aye, let's be quiet, please. Let's be quiet. Let's be quiet. Aye, order. Aye, another issue. So His Excellency the President has had you. Aye, order. Let's be quiet.
Thank you. Secondly, Your Excellency, something